The Aster price is going up, and I have quite a bit of DMs as well as comments on a price analysis. So we are here on the Aster platform. So first of all, where do you buy it? Well, if you want to come and trade directly on their Aster platform and you want to join a team, make sure to join through the link down below, or utilize when you go to the link team, etc. Utilize my code, which you will see down below. And this is the Aster main platform. So what are we talking about the prices? Well, we got three different options as well. You can go and trade Aster also on Wix right here, which is my non-KYC crypto go-to exchange. And right now you also have a 100% deposit bonus. So if you deposit $200 to trade Aster, they give you back a $200 position. So make sure to go and join them. Link will be down below. But in terms of the pricing, so we got three areas to look at. First of all, at the very early stages, more or less where I bought, which yes, I did buy at the very top of this run, which by the way, now it's a bit early, like it's quite early to have gone and bought it. We had a bit of consolidation right here. So at this area right here, we had a consolidation between 75 cents and 53 cents. So that is where the first area. Then we had this nice spike up. Then we had a bit of consolidation over here, as you're able to go and see. We had some price action on the sideways. Let's go and zoom in at this area right here. This was between 130 and the 110 mark. We have broke out from it, and then we had a more consolidation period on a different area right now when it went down from the $2 all the way to 130, which was when on Twitter people were saying Aster is over, Aster is this, and Aster is that. By the way, keep in mind this is a 15-minute chart. Like the token is new. People are calling it the end. We are on a if I'll show you the 1-day chart later on because it looks 3 days. 3 days. So it's very hard. But in terms of technical analysis, now we had this support area right here before it did spike up that goes between the 173 cent all the way down to the 130 cent, which is what we have been down below. So if you're looking at an entry, it is very hard to say whether or not CZ is gonna release a a statement right now. But right now we broke up and we're hovering between the 2 cent and the $2 and $2.10. So 185, $2, 2.10. So right now, one area of support which we have seen multiple times bouncing, whether it is key support, resistance, or support or resistance, it was this line here, the 175 more or less. We had it once, nearly through, nearly 3 times, 4 times, had a little bit of a spike, then back down. So this is a line that I'm looking for if you're looking to enter at a lower price. Of course, depending whether or not you're having a long or short with it. It's up to you. You could have a short until here, which could go, but the short could be liquidated anytime CZ makes an announcement or anything like that. So what I did with this one, I simply bought on the spot, and I did buy, as we see here over with the graphs that you can see, I did buy right here at the 73 cent and at the 66 cents. So that was my buy. And yes, I was like, oh, let me just go and buy in. I was FOMO'd in. Yes, I bought around the top. It went down. I could have bought 20% more here, but then it just kept on going up. So it is, as we see here, we did say that it is barely new. Like if we go and look at the daily, this is the daily chart. Like you understand that there is nothing on the daily chart. There's only a few green candles and a few red candles. So that is about it. So there's not much to say, oh, it's over or it's not over. We can go to the 4-hour chart, and here it is a bit zoomed in, but we can go and look at the 4-hour chart right here, which again proves the point. Here was a consolidation period up and down, then we had a spike up, then a spike down, a bit of consolidation right here, and then this one was the biggest one. Like on the 4-hour chart, we went from the $2 all the way down to the 131, and now we're breaking up. So what is my strategy? I think join now, whether it is on Aster and or on Wix with a 100% position bonus. Join now. If you're doing leverage, if you're doing a long position, make sure to please have space for trading, have a space for the possibility of utilizing this token, and have margin in case it goes down to 150. Don't be liquidated at the 160 mark, at the 150 mark, at the 140 mark. Try to have as much leverage as you can. Don't go in with 100% of your all in right now. So that would be my option. And yes, Aster also have an airdrop season 2 coming, which they're gonna be rewarding 4% of the total share is gonna go to you and to the people that are trading on their platform. So make sure to go and utilize it. I would say both. You can also do long on Aster, short on Wix to go and have a bit of a balance, but I would say go and trade on both. But with that said, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.